Today, I'm going to be sharing with you something every aspiring fashion designer needs to know, and that is how to survive and thrive as a fashion designer. As we all know, the fashion industry is highly saturated and very competitive. So for you to stand out and thrive in this industry, these tips I'll be sharing with you is going to help you to navigate your way through the fashion world. So whether you're just starting out or you're looking into growing your career as a fashion designer, this tip is going to help you to navigate the fashion world. So before we go into the business of today, I would like you to know that you are very unique and you are also very special. So you don't need to copy any other brand or anyone's personality to survive and thrive in this industry. With that being said, let's dive into the business of the day. So first and foremost, you need to stay inspired and innovative. Fashion is all about creativity, and creativity is your ability to conceive an idea, develop it, and bring it out. So whatever idea is coming to your mind, do not discard that idea. You can get inspirations from trends, you can get inspiration from fashion shows, you can get inspiration from anything and anywhere. So all you need to do is to have an open mind, and whatever comes to your mind, try as much as you can to bring it out. So your creativity is what is going to help you build your own personal brand. For instance, once you see a Vicky James piece, you know that this is Vicky James because of the type of work she puts into it and her level of creativity. So for you to stand out, survive, and thrive in this industry, you need to stay inspired, you need to be innovative, and you also need to be creative. Next is to continuously develop your skill. Upgrade is necessary for you to stay relevant in any skill. In the fashion industry, upgrade is a must because you keep getting new style, new trend every now and then. And for you to stay relevant in this industry, you need to upgrade. The way we learned how to make corsets from 2 years back is not the same way they're making corset now. Everything is changing, and for you to stay relevant, you need to jump into the trend and also learn. You need to always improve your skill, your sewing skill, your pattern drafting skill, your video editing skill, every skill. You need to continuously develop that skill, including your marketing skill. You cannot just relax and sit back and keep doing things the old-fashioned way. The fashion world is also evolving. Trends are coming in, trends are going out. So to stay relevant, you need to upgrade. You can upgrade by attending a fashion school. You can upgrade by taking online courses. And if you don't have the means to go to a fashion school or to pay for online courses, please learn how to do all this on YouTube. There are so many free tutorials on YouTube that you can use to upgrade and sharpen your skills. And it's not just about you paying for online classes, going to fashion school, or learning on YouTube. After doing all these things, it is important you practice what you have learned. Before you move to the next upgrade, it is very important and necessary that you master the one you are currently on before moving to the next one. Don't just keep acquiring knowledge and keeping them in your phone, storing them in your gallery, and you don't even have time to watch them. So as much as you can, try and upgrade. If going to a fashion school is expensive and you cannot afford it, there are so many online classes out there. There are so many good online classes that you can pay, learn, practice, and improve yourself. So for you to stay relevant in this industry, upgrade is a must. Do not joke with your upgrade. So number 3 is to build a very strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your virtual resume. So when people see you, what do they see? When people go to your social media page, what do they see? Does it show that you are a fashion designer, or it shows other irrelevant things? So you need to build a very strong portfolio. Learn how to take quality pictures, learn how to make good videos, learn how to change your background and all that. Learn how to up your game, because packaging is very, very important in this industry. It's the way you present yourself, they are going to price you. So if you package yourself well, people are going to be willing to pay whatever you ask them to pay. So as much as you can, make sure you have a very good portfolio. It is also important that you take pictures of all your works. I remember some times back, whenever I make a dress, I don't even take pictures of those dresses. I just give it out to the client. That's because I was not having a mannequin and I had nothing to show for my work. Yes, I'm a fashion designer, but what have you done so far? There is nothing to show for it. So to avoid that, it is important you always take pictures of your work so that when you're trying to advertise what you do to someone, you can show them your previous work, and that will make them trust you enough to give you the address to make. So once a client sees your previous work, he's going to be confident that if I give this person my dress, she's not going to spoil it. So it is very good that you have a very strong portfolio. Make sure you learn how to take good quality pictures, how to edit your videos, how to edit your pictures. Don't just snap pictures and go and post it online. Learn how to edit it, how to make it to be very bright, how to change your background if it is necessary. You can learn how to do all this on YouTube. I also have a detailed tutorial on how to change the background of your video and also of your picture. You can go ahead to check that out also if you don't know how to do all this. So having a very strong portfolio as a fashion designer is very, very important. So number 4 is to learn how to leverage social media. The social media is a very powerful tool for fashion designers. Learn how to make use of platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and WhatsApp to showcase your work. Learn how to share behind the scene content, thereby connecting to your outside audience. When people see all those things, they trust you enough to give you the address to make. So consistently posting valuable content on your social media platform can help you build a very strong online follower, and you can even get clients through that. If you have not been active on the social media space, this is the best time for you to be active. Stop complaining that you don't have clients and people are not coming to patronize you when all you do is to sit in your small corner minding your business. We have gone past that era. Even the top designers in this industry are putting themselves out there in the social media space, getting more followers, getting more clients in that process. For instance, Vicky James always shares behind the scene videos whenever she makes a masterpiece. This is her putting herself out there and also marketing herself very well. So if you are a fashion designer and you have not been active on the social media space, this is the best time to start doing that. Go to your Facebook page, delete all those irrelevant things and start posting your work. You never know who is watching and who your next client is going to be. So for you to stay relevant, for you to survive in this industry, you need to learn how to use the social media space. So next on my list is seeking mentorship. Finding a mentor in this industry is highly valuable. So a mentor can share guidance, share industry insights, and help you to navigate your career as a fashion designer. As a fashion designer, there should be someone out there that inspires and motivates you. Even if you cannot reach out to them in person, learn how to follow them on their Facebook page, Instagram page, because those top designers, they always share insights, style inspiration on their pages. So don't be afraid to reach out to experienced designers you admire and ask them for advice. If you cannot reach out to them, you can also follow them on their different social media platforms and benefit from their posts and content on their social media pages. So if there is no one you are looking up to as a fashion designer, please try and look for somebody that will motivate you, that will inspire you, and also help you to navigate your way in the fashion industry. So number 6 is for you to stay resilient. This is very, very important for you to survive and thrive in this industry because the fashion industry is highly competitive and can be very tough. Criticism and rejection is going to be part of your journey. So be prepared to receive the worst and also the best as a fashion designer. But one thing you must learn how to make do of is whenever you are being criticized, whenever your work is being rejected, do not feel bad, do not feel downcast. All you need to do is to go back, learn more, and come back better. Do not let rejection, discouragement, and setback to make you to abandon your vision as a fashion designer. These things should build you up and encourage you to keep on pushing because it's going to be part of the journey. It is actually not going to be easy. It will not be easy. So always prepare for the worst and learn to develop a tough skin to criticism and rejection. But as much as you can, try to improve yourself and learn to give your best in whatever you do. So number 7 is for you to understand the business of fashion. Fashion is all about business. It's not just about creativity. The main reason why you became a fashion designer is to make more money and not just to be creative. And for you to do that, you need to learn the business side of fashion, learn marketing, learn branding, learn finance, learn customer service, learn networking, learn all these things so that there will be something to show forth after every work you have done. Learn how to price very well. This is one of the main problems most fashion designers have. We don't know how to price ourselves. We don't know how to give good pricing that after making the jersey, there will be something for us to make. Before you give a client a price for a style, always make sure you do your market survey and be sure of the prices of the products you are buying in the market. Don't just be so excited and say your price. You're going to end up running at a loss. Always learn to tell your clients to give you some time to do some survey and get back to them. As much as you can, learn the business of fashion. If you need to pay to do this, please do, because it's going to benefit you in the long run. And last on my list is networking. Most fashion designers are just minding their business, but networking is very, very crucial in this industry. Learn to network with other fashion designers, learn to network with photographers, learn to network with makeup artists, learn to network with other influencers in this industry. Networking is going to open you up to more opportunities as a fashion designer. As a fashion designer, there should be somebody out there that you will run to whenever you are in a fix. For instance, if you are finding it difficult to make a style, there should be someone that you can call to help you explain and analyze that particular style. So don't just stay in your corner minding your business. Learn to attend fashion shows, learn to be active in fashion communities, both physically and also online. Learn to connect with your fellow fashion designers. You are not competing with them. The person you should be competing with is who you were yesterday, not with the next person. If you are good at what you do, nobody will come and drag your client with you and all that. So learn to network. Networking is very, very good. It's going to open you up to many opportunities as a fashion designer. So guys, here we have it. These are some of the tips you will need to survive in the fashion industry. So in summary, you need to stay inspired and innovative. You need to continuously develop your skill. You need to understand the business of fashion. You need to network. You need to leverage social media. You need to seek mentorship for you to survive and thrive as a fashion designer. So if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. And also, if there are some other tips you have been using to survive in this industry, kindly let me know about it in the comment section. Until next time, thank you for watching.